Hi guys, I'm back with one more video today on riskless real estate. In today's video, let's discuss about the effect of Corona second wave on the Hyderabad real estate. I'll tell you my opinion, what I'm seeing from last 15 days. In fact, till the month of March beginning, till the end of March I would say, things were quite stable. A lot of visits were happening, a lot of people were buying real estate. In fact, people were willing to invest their money. And then suddenly, when the April month started, in fact, from last 15-20 days, I would say, there is a fall in the number of visits. And for obvious reasons, the fear of Corona is at peak. People are scared to come out. In fact, I know many people who are affected with Corona, and some of them are really struggling. In fact, many people who are agents, they got affected with Corona. Many builders got affected with Corona, and even the buyers. So a lot of panic is all over, a lot of news around. I'm sure you can see the news. So because of all this panic situation, people are preferring to stay at home, and even agents are preferring to stay at home. Even builders are not so bothered about business right now. For everyone, life is important at this moment. So from last 15 days, there is no site visit, there is no one showing you the site. In fact, companies, many of the offices are shut even. So tough days, but I think it's good, because right now the utmost priority is health. See, when you are healthy and when you are at peace, that's when you think of investment. When things are a little scary, you never even think of investment. So that's what is happening right now even. Investment is not happening in real estate, not only in Hyderabad, I think across the globe. Now that's the first point. Now second point, if you compare what happened in last year, see last year 2020, there was Corona and it was new for us. At least now we know how it was in 2020. But when it came for the first time in the month of March 2020, when suddenly a lockdown happened, a lot of people, for everyone it was new in fact. 6 months there was no business. 6 months everyone was stuck at home. But you have to understand this one point, okay? Who invests in real estate? People who have money, they invest. Now who are these people? People with stable jobs. For example, if you're working in IT, assuming you earn 1 lakh or 2 lakhs per month, so you have that extra cash which is kept aside every month. Many NRIs who have money, extra cash, which is kept as savings, and even businessmen, they have extra cash which is kept as savings. Now that accumulated in the lockdown period, and they have stable jobs, there is no risk of losing their job. And after the lockdown ended, after 6 to 8 months, they had a lump sum cash available with them, and they all wanted to invest. So that's when from month of maybe September, October, November, December, you see a lot of movement happening in real estate. In fact, in Diwali, Dasra time, a lot of people were buying real estate. We all of us assume that prices will fall, but in fact, reverse, prices increased after the lockdown. And then regional ring road news came up. So seeing that news, even the prices were increased by agents and even companies. So it was a reverse situation. In the lockdown, there was no business. Once the lockdown got opened, because people had piled up cash, they invested in real estate. And it was all well till the month of March. And then again, we reached to the same point in the month of April. Again, we have reached to zero right now. Now the question is, how it will be in the future? Saurabh, will the prices fall? In my understanding, I don't think it may fall. It may stabilize right now. It won't definitely go up, but I'm sure it won't even go down. The reason is the landowners or even the developers, they have spent enough money and they don't want to lose on their profits, so they may maintain the same price unless and until the demand goes really low. But what I assume is right now, because of the lack of demand and lack of resources and the situation around us, it has come to stand still. But maybe after a month or maybe after 2 months, when situation becomes normal, again slowly the business will start happening, the transaction will start happening, visits will happen, and slowly real estate market will pick up. Now the question is, should I invest in this time? That's a question. Now to answer this question, the answer is yes, you can invest if you have extra cash with you. If you don't want to use that cash for next 5 years, you have your safety security cash separately, and this is an extra cash which you really want to invest, only then you can take a risk of investing your money right now. And why I'm saying this? Because this is the time when you at least get a chance to negotiate for a better price. Because things are stable, things are not moving forward. This is a time when you say, okay, I'm ready to buy this, but I want a better price. So you have a chance to negotiate and get a better deal in these times. But again, I say it's up to you. You can wait, or if you really want a good deal, you can try, you can buy right now. But what I say is take care, take precautions. Situations are not so great, at least in India, in Hyderabad. So take your precautions. Situation will become normal, but to come to the point, prices may not fall down, it may stabilize. And if you're looking for a good deal, if you want to really negotiate and buy the property now, if you have extra cash, this is the right time for you. Yeah, so that's the status on real estate in Hyderabad. I'll record more videos soon. So thank you so much for watching this video.